Now let us see the distinction between healthy and disease free. So these two conditions. Many people think that if a person is not having any disease, he is healthy. Today I am not having any disease. I am not suffering from fever. I am not suffering from stomachache or motions, so I am disease free. Can I say I am healthy? So both are same. Is the disease free condition and health are same? See, today I am not suffering from anything, but I am not able to perform at the maximum level. What is that? So there is no specific disease for me, but I wanted to take some rest. I am tired. You don't know why you are tired. There is no specific disease. That means your body is not completely able to use its potential at its maximum level. Then you are not healthy. You are healthy means it doesn't mean only disease free condition. You are healthy means no diseases. At the same time, you should be very actively participating in all the physically, mental, social activities. Then you are healthy. Now, what is the term actually disease defines? Disease is a term, this is disturbance, ease means comfort. Comfort. So if your comfort is disturbed, you call it as a disease. Dis-ease. Your comfort is disturbed. So you are not comfortable, there is a disturbance, you call it as a disease. Generally disease in the sense, everybody thinks that disease, somebody, he is having a disease. What is that? Motions, fever. So we lost based on the symptoms. We don't know what is exact the reason of that. Just we see that disease means such kind of things. Any motions or fever or cough, but we consider as a disease. So the difference is that disease free means it is not healthy. When a person is completely, he can use his strength to do an activity, completely he should be active in all the physical, mental and social activities, then you consider he is healthy. You see that, say for example, a musician is there, he plays the flute. He is disease free right now, he is not having any disease. But even then, if he is not able to completely use his potential to play the flute comfortably, there is a discomfort, means he is not in healthy condition. That means he has got a poor health. Poor health. Right? Poor health. What is the difference between health and poor health? Here, there is no specific disease, but the person cannot perform at 100%. He cannot be completely 100% active physically, mentally, socially. So there is a backlog. You call it as a poor health. So this is also a condition like a disease. You cannot say that the person with poor health is a healthy person. So you might be understanding the term poor health. You see different people, you know, teachers, doctors, athletes, right? You say the dancers, they perform beautiful dance stage shows. They perform so many difficult steps. So when they are doing at their maximum, they are in a very real healthy condition. Even though they don't have any disease, if they are not able to perform to the fullest, then they have a poor health. So that is the condition has to be realized. We have taken so many examples, even the teachers, we have taken doctors. So whatsoever profession you take, when even though they are disease free, they don't have any disease, if they are not able to perform to their fullest level, you consider that they have a poor health. You take that to your side. As a student, you are not having any particular disease, but some of you may not be able to concentrate and read properly, study properly, sit properly. You will be having certain problems, I'll let you know. So when you are writing your homework, if you don't have a proper setup to write, or if you are sitting down and write, or if you are writing, even though you are sitting in a comfortable table and writing, after writing sometimes some students will get back pain, complain that I am getting back pain. I am not able to write. If teacher is explaining, many of you may not be able to keep your head straight and listen to the lesson for a long time. So, you don't have any disease. In specific, you don't have any disease. But you are not performing the fullest level. You are not able to perform because you are not healthy. If you are not able to concentrate and listen to the teacher for some time, you are not healthy. You can complain, yes, I am not healthy. Get your health corrected. What you should do? You should have proper diet. You should have proper exercise to improve your stamina. Then you can do that. You will be able to do that. You have to realize the unique potential of you. Everybody will be having unique potential. We have to realize, bring out the unique potential to the fullest level. It is possible only when you have real health. Without having the real health, you cannot bring your real true potential out and you cannot perform to the fullest levels. So even though you don't have any disease like fever or motions or whatsoever, if you are not able to perform in the classroom well, if you are not able to do your works well, homeworks well, if you are not able to read well, then you are not in a true health or a real healthy condition. So that is the real meaning of the health. So disease and its causes. In this particular session, we are going to discuss more deeply about a disease. Already we discussed that disease means dis-ease, that is disturbance of comfort, that is disease. So diseases are caused to, I already told you, diseases are caused to a particular part of our body. Of course, that particular part will disturb the whole system, the systems will create a disturbance in the whole body. But how do we know we are suffering from a disease? First, we will identify the discomfort. We are not as like when we are healthy. There is something wrong. So that, what is that wrong? What happens? The disease means it creates or it causes a change in the functioning or appearance in our body systems or organs, either in functioning or in appearance. It makes these changes are for the worst. Then we get some signs out called as symptoms. When the functioning of one body part is disturbed or when the appearance of body part is disturbed, you find your face is swollen. So early in the morning you woke up and watched your face in mirror, you felt like your eyeballs and your face has got swollen. Means there is a difference in the appearance. Your skin has got so many rashes or boils. You identified boils. So the disease here, it has brought some kind of change in the appearance. The smooth skin of your face has turned marked with so many blisters with water. You will identify a disease. So the disease has brought a change in your appearance and functioning. You are not able to breathe properly. So the functioning of your lungs is disturbed. That is a disease. But how do we know the disease? We know the disease by symptoms. We know we got a disease by the symptoms. A person is having loose motions. The disease is loose motions, diarrhea. But he do not know what is the exact reason. Right? So loose motion was a symptom. Stomach ache. Stomach ache, we are getting stomach ache. So that is the symptom which will tell that there is a problem in the digestive system. So stomach is in the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity. So this is the chest cavity where the lungs are there, and this is the abdominal cavity where is your stomach and intestines are located at this point, all liver and pancreas. So you have a stomach ache. That is a symptom. Symptom means a sign of disease. And stomach ache is the symptom you are expressing. You don't know the reason. There may be a number of reasons for that. Your stomach ache may be because of indigestion, maybe because of gas formed in the stomach. That is also, of course, because of indigestion. Or there may be problem in your liver, or there may be problem in your intestine, or there may be a problem infection in your other pancreas or gallbladder, stones in the gallbladder. Or of course, sometimes your stomach ache may not be related to your digestive system also. If you have stones in kidneys also, you will get pain in the lower abdomen. So there are many reasons. How do you find what is the reason? So you have symptom. So here the symptoms, they help to locate the disease, that is done by the doctor, and that process is called as diagnosis. See, the stomachache is a symptom, but here we can find out the reason by looking at the location from where you are getting stomachache, either in the upper abdomen or in the lower abdomen. Again, in the lower abdomen, whether you are getting right side or left side, if you are getting in the upper abdomen, right side or left side. So in this way, by finding the location from where is the point, source point of the pain, we can identify. Actually, the doctors, they do this in a better way. If you consult a doctor with a complaint that stomachache, the doctor will ask you certain questions to find out more about the cause of disease. What the doctor asks you, where is that pain? Do you have any other symptoms? Do you have vomiting? Do you have head reeling? So any of sensations he asks for, means along with the stomachache, if you have vomiting sensation, he will identify, yes, he has got some kind of food poisoning. So likewise, so you don't complain any vomiting, I am getting stomachache. Where is that? On which side you are getting? In which direction you are getting? How you are getting it? So in this way, he will do the diagnosis. Moreover, he asks questions, and he sometimes, if he is not able to exactly trace out or point out the root cause of the disease, he may call for some diagnostic test or lab test. So these lab tests, they help in identifying, pinpoint the source of disease. So in this way, the doctors, they will find out the cause of disease to give a proper treatment with the help of symptoms. So whenever we get a disease, we know about the disease by its symptoms. We express the symptoms to the doctor, who is an expert in health issues. He will identify the root cause of disease by asking the symptoms, and at the same time, by taking the help of lab test or diagnostic test, he will find out the root cause of the disease. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.